Hey, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages? Welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. I'm Billy Bob Badass. Behind the camera's Timmy.
Can you dig it?
There you go.
We should start doing that. All right, I got that.
I'm loving that. All right, you guys. What we'll basically be diagnosing today is a knock or a tick on a Chevy 2000 Tahoe. Suburban. Yeah, Suburban. Customer saying that they basically put a change or did an oil change. They put thicker oil in it. Then the tap or the knock or tick is still here. So basically, we're gonna find out why is it ticking, knocking, or whichever one it is today. So we will be right back.
All right, guys and girls, we got the key in there. Let's see if we can hear this noise. First of all, let's pop this hood. This is a clean little truck. I like this front. I like this push bar, man. Dang. Gonna need something like when a Ford pulls it. Need something to cushion it. Ford, number one. Tell me Ford ain't number one.
That's what you say.
All right.
Chevy.
Ford.
It's like a rock. We built Ford tough.
That's right. We built Ford tough.
We built Ford tough. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me show you how Ford we built. Ow!
That's right.
Ford tough.
That's Ford. All right, we're gonna start this up.
Jump. I'm a Chevy man, like a rock, baby.
All right. I hear a little ticking going on. Give a little gas and see what happens.
Yep. I'll try to give it a little gas. Yeah. Hey. Oh, I heard it when you put it back in gear. Yeah, I'm gonna get away from over here for the flywheel come out and cut my head off.
That's what it sounds like?
That's what it sounds like, flywheel.
You sure, man? You sure that ain't the engine, man? We guessing, man.
It sounds like the flywheel, Tim.
We guessing like these other characters out here on YouTube, man.
Hey, I'm a certified tech. I'm not a backyard mechanic.
My apologies. I stand corrected. If this man says it's a flywheel, you best believe you better go out and buy a flywheel, because if you buy anything else, you just out of luck. All right. So we heard the noise, and to come to think of it, if you guys and girls been following our channel, we had a white Denali.
Yep.
They had the same thing. They told me needed a motor. You guys and girls remember that. You got to follow our channel to keep with this stuff. And come to find out, they had put different flywheel bolts in there. So you know what? It sounds like it's coming from down there. So what we're gonna do? Let's jack this up, get it up on a jack stand, and see if we can find out what's going on. We'll be right back.
All right, guys and girls. What we did here, we jacked the truck up. Basically, used a block of wood, you know, to get it a little higher, whatever. And you remember, you always put it to the frame. It's always thicker. You don't have to worry about it bending and giving. Never crawl on a vehicle without jack stands. And if possible, if you can, leave a jack for reinforcement.
Good?
Yep.
All right, guys. We're gonna get up under there and see what we have to get some gloves on, get a couple tools. So let's see what's going on. All right, we'll be right back. Hard-headed. I told you to record as we going up under the truck, not record me.
Hey, Tim.
What, man?
Now you know what they say. They love Billy Bob. So don't let me tell you what to do. Do you want me to tell you what to do?
You guys are crazy. I don't know why y'all soup his head up, man. Why y'all like this guy, man? You see what I gotta go through now?
Okay. Tell your ass up on that truck. Come on here.
All right, let's get up under here. And what we're gonna do here is go back to where the transmission is. Yeah. Here we are, right here. And wow, I got some oil leaking over here. And this is not like the older guys and girls, the older Chevys. They had an inspection. Again, you're looking at me. I'm showing them up here.
Yeah, I know. You got look at the person that's talking to you.
You got to look at me.
Oh.
You know what? I'm gonna put my foot in.
I tell you why I got my Batman shirt on.
Alright, so there used to be a cover right here with 4 3/8 or 10mm bolts, and take the cover down. Those are real easy to get to. But you know, as it moved on, this one don't. So we do got a little cover right here. You notice I just popped that off. And if you look inside there, oh dang it, man, I forgot the light.
I just told you to get that light.
I know, man, I know.
That's why what I supposed to be looking in there. I can't see what I'm looking at.
Okay, I'm gonna get the light, man. I'll be right back. Let me go get the light for Billy Bob. Alright guys, now we got a light right here. Let's look up in there. Hey, look at that little rust. This looks a little rusty right there. I wonder, can I get a screwdriver? That's it. Just back and forth. Oh, man, I'm gonna have to turn this flywheel around. Get to another bolt or something. Let's try to turn this. Let's go this way since I'm already in here, man. Cause you in my damn way, bum ass.
I know. You got one more time to hit my camera.
What's this shit?
That flywheel ain't broke away from the crank sub, man, right? Because I'm pretty sure the torque converter gonna be tight at the flywheel. You know,
Oh, shut up, man! Shut up! I'm trying to. You hear the noise and you up there narrating. Shut up! Shut the hell up!
Because I know what the hell I'm talking about.
Now listen to this. Watch this. See, now I got it. Dang it, man! I had to.
Man, that's your bum ass screwdriver making that noise. Turn that flywheel if I get mad.
Yeah, man. Wait, I'm trying to see if I see anything up in there.
Oh, wait up. Go up on that torque converter.
Up into here?
Yeah.
And what? What you gonna do?
Like it got a gap right there.
Yeah, it does. I can, yeah, matter of fact.
Because I see it moving now.
Yeah, look at it.
Get out of the way, man, so I can
What the? God damn. You know what?
Yeah, I know you want to see it. I know you want to see it.
Alright.
Alright, go.
Is that playing?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so his flywheel bolts are messed up. So guys, what we gotta do here is yeah, and what's funny about it, guys, it's just like that. It's just the other car. He had changed the oil. He had put gear oil in it and everything, trying to quiet that. You can't quiet that noise with the oil.
that 18 little oil. That,
yeah, 18 what, 1540 or Lucas. He put some Lucas in it.
18 little
All right, so we got an issue right here where there is definitely play between the torque converter and the flywheel.
Just jam, just pull it back and jam a wash in there. It'll come back out.
Uh-oh.
That's my cousin. Alright, go.
Oh, we can sing.
Yeah, you can say a little bit. You can't do it like me, though. He ain't go to American Idol. I will. He did.
All right, guys. What we're going to do here is we got to get to these bolts. And we got to let the customer know that the flywheel bolts are loose. And what we got to do here, if he wants us to tighten them up, and hopefully we can tighten them up, put some Loctite on them, we got to drop the starter to be able, over here. Don't you know to follow the light?
Okay.
we would have to drop the starter. We don't have to necessarily take it out, but we have to drop it. Then we can get to the converter bolts right through there. All right, so we're gonna let the customer know. And this guy, man. Yeah, anybody want a job having the camera? Cause matter of fact, nah, I'm gonna surprise y'all. All right, we'll be right back.
Wait, hey, hold.
What?
I might need to hire somebody to work with me.
What do you mean?
You know I'm getting back on the road after a while. I'll be back in my own truck again.
Come on, man, let's go.
Somebody can just cuss him out and fire him, and then hire him back, and cuss him out and fire him, and hire him again.
Are you looking at me putting the cover back on?
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Yeah, I'm looking at you.
All right, pop that cover back on. All right, let's go explain this to the customer. We'll be right back. All right, guys and girls, there you have it. We spoke to the customer. Now, what the customer is going to do, the customer set up an appointment with us. We're going to come back Monday, maybe. Now, the customer is going to try to get the bolts tightened up himself, which is cool. We got no problem with customers, and actually we try to encourage customers to work on their own vehicles, get that DIY knowledge. And this is what's good about Astro. Now, he's going to try it, and I even, I'm not like these shops. We're not like these shops are going to rip people off and don't want to give out no information, nothing. So what we did, I told him exactly what to do. You gotta jack it up, remove the starter. The best thing to do now, I told him he could tighten up the bolts and everything will be fine, but they'll probably loosen back up. I told him the best thing to do is go to the dealership, get new bolts with the thread sealer on them already. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Or put Loctite on these bolts and put them back. And what's the worst case that can happen? The worst scenario is that he get up under there, take the starter out, can't get the bolts out or something. He calls us, we come right to it, we finish the job. Simple as that. We bad. All right, any kind of questions or comments, be sure to put them in the comment section below. Or you can email me at tim@astroautorepairs.com. Or if you're bad enough, you can email Billy Bob at astroautorepairs.com. Guys and girls, this is Timmy and Billy Bob from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it,
Nobody can.
take it easy.